Hi, let's learn how to add the tabs in Facebook page. Log in your Facebook account. Click the right drop-down arrow. Select the page for which tab needs to added. Let's take an example to add offer tab. Click setting right side next to help. Then select templates and tabs 4th row. Now on right side see for the tab list to add or remove. Let's add offer tab by clicking Add tab, then select offers and click Add tab next to offers. Close the screen. Click page on left top below Facebook icon. Congrats, your offer tab is added on the page. Download our app and learn. Thank you.